outside is frightful, but fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Now it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I've brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow.
So I was really excited to participate as a parent volunteer. And one of the things I really was excited about as a result of the trip is that my kids actually said to me that they're making a pledge never to try drugs because of what they experienced.
I learned a lot about drugs, abuse and misuse. And I mean, if I were to sum up everything, it would be like there are certain things you don't even want to try. Yeah, just don't try it, just let it go. Just live simple life. Don't try to go, to have some sensation or whatever.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the EYAME event. I hope you guys are having so much fun. Today I'm here to share with you all the experiences I had at EYAME and how EYAME can change your life. 3 words I would use to describe EYAME would be adventurous, informational, and of course fun. EYAME helped me learn so many different things, like about mental health and how important it is to keep your mental health good and strong, and it's never good to have poor mental health. Drug and alcohol abuse, and how it's good to stay sober, and how drastically it can change your life if you get into those sort of things. And gambling addiction. We learned about the effects of gambling addiction and how it can affect families and the person themselves, and so much more. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the EYAME event. See you at the next one.